Alright guys, here's the NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow forecast for September 13th, 2006. The NASDAQ today continued the rally upward, and based on this formation, what I saw this morning, full 1.618 rally would take it to 22.25 approximately, and that's what it hit exactly. Actually, a little bit above it, but the question right now is if this retracement right here over 4. This is basically a parabolic rally, a very, very strong rally off the lows. The two target levels I have, the 3 of them, there's 0.618 retracement, which is 22.38. You gotta watch that level. If NASDAQ ends up getting to that level, you have to watch that very closely, because that's exactly 0.618 of the entire drop from 23.75 to the recent lows. Exactly 0.618. If there's trouble at 22.38, could just be an upper B or upper 2 target would target exactly 22.38, and then a downward C. That's the absolute worst case scenario possible. Best case scenario is that NASDAQ rallies into a fifth wave that's to as high as 22.65, and then it gets a corrective 2, and then forms an upper 3. That's the best case scenario. Worst case scenario again is 22.38, 0.618 retracement, and then drop below the recent lows. That's the worst case scenario. S&P 500. See, the S&P 500 is actually really close to a new 6-month high. So it kind of like almost negates. It'd be incredible to see a mellow October, September, October. The past 5 years has been the same deal every year. September, October, they sell off. Let me try to see how close the S&P is to a new 52-week high. So it's kind of a stretch to call. I was looking for a double. One of the scenarios I had last June, July was a double bottom C wave, and that was the best case scenario. Look at what's happening. It's double bottom C wave. The S&P is really close to a new 52-week high. So to call this an October crash is almost negated completely. Look at the Dow and S&P. The Dow is like really close, if not right at it. It's getting low. There we go. So the Dow actually broke 0.786 of the entire drop. So we could actually be looking at a new bull market. Continuation of the bull market. All I want is to see this stuff go down. Gold and oil. It doesn't matter. I wouldn't mind seeing the S&P, the Dow, and NASDAQ rally as long as these two indexes, commodity indexes. The CRB index, if you saw it, I don't have the chart. It's actually a parabolic third wave down off the highs, which is almost like a bubble just popped. I don't have the CRB index, but if you have the chance to look at it, take a look at it, because it just popped. That's a wrap.